I'm sure you guys are wondering, is that hair? Yeah, you got that right. That is my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing me on your screen, please click on the subscribe button. But you know, if you're a returning subscriber and we're family, you're the world. Thank you so much. So today is basically about how to tie your scarves different ways, and you're still going to look super beautiful. And there are some times that you don't want to put that wig on your head or make this kind of pop that I did. I'm sure you guys are wondering, is that hair? Yeah, you got that right. That is my hair. Thank you guys. Okay, so back to the deal of the day. So I saw this wonderful scarf in my mom's wardrobe. I'm like, this is scarf. I'm going to make use of it very soon. And here today I'm going to be teaching different ways at which you can style your scarf and still look super gorgeous. So guys, stay with me to the end of this video. This is the scarf, and I just love the color. And another thing is, I love how it is, you know, mixed. It has like this satin, shiny kind of, I don't know, but this is super short to lace. So it's just really so nice, and I feel like if I have this on my head, it's going to look really gorgeous. So I'm going to be working with this right now. Stay tuned guys. I have already divided the scarf into 2 equal halves. Okay, so it's going to be like easy for me to tie. You get it. So now here goes the styling. When you have your scarf ready, I'm still going to be needing an office pin. I mean, in case you just want to tuck one part of the scarf that doesn't want to stay very well, just start to hold it. Okay, so here we go. So that's why I said you're going to be needing an office pin. So hold one stubborn part that doesn't just want to stay. Yeah, we got that. So this goes to this part. I'm still going to take care of this. So okay, you see that? I mean, I like the mixture of the colors. This is so nice. So I'm going to use the office pin to hold down those areas that don't want to stay. So, and voila! And there. This is just love it. I know, right? Folding this again. This style is actually good if you want to flaunt your bun. Have a bun up. It's actually good if you want to flaunt and you just don't want to close everything up. So you guys just want to spice it up a bit. In the shape of everything. So guys, I am going to twist this. Take it to the back. This is still here, so I'm sure you're wondering that where is it going to? Don't worry, you are getting it. Make sure it's, you know, tight enough so you don't just get loose and go and be like, oh my god, oh my style is gone. So here you go, and push like I always like it to be, and bring that puff up. For another style, we're just going to be folding this a little bit more. thumbs up so that I can know that at least you were part of this whole process. Thank you. So we're on to the next one now. The next step is just going to be like the other one, but it's just going to be at the side. Guys, so we've come to the end of this video today, and if you enjoyed watching like I did, please give me that thumbs up and put down your comments in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you still doing? Click on that subscribe button and be part of the family. Thank you so much guys for joining me today. I'll see you all in my next video. Stay fabulous, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.